Hello my dear student, today I will be discussing some mathematical problems of cube roots of unity. Target to each other cube root to functionize questions. All student notice for these questions have to consider in a higher exam. X equal to 1 by root 3 of this question have represented this x power cube have denotes in x to power cube equal to 1. All student notice for me this question will not be conclude this method x cube minus 1 equal to 0 x cube minus 1 equal to 0. All student notice for now x minus 1 or x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Always notified with me x cube minus 1. Understands? All student can say that x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, but x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 always considered in some special matter of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 always be considered value of Pythagoras triplet and not be series researcher method. I have not been given a minus 3.8 by 2. All student notice this question have represented by minus term plus minus plus minus. This is have question to repeat this method to hence provide questions x equal to minus 1 plus root minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 minus root minus 3 by 2. Some special notice for now. Minus minus have considered in root problems. I have to consider the probability questions minus 1 plus root 3 altogether dimensions be minus 0.82 iota notified by 2 and minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. Iota have always considered the remove of minus. Understand? All students, please subscribe my channel, watch my this video and subscribe my channels and share to all students, friends and other relationship. Understand? Don't be talking to start persons with my comment box. Please talk to each other. These questions have too dependent on another videos. Okay, please like, subscribe, comment, shares and all 12 logicals value talking to each other. Understand? Please talk to me each other, so comment box. Understand? Thank you. Bye bye.